The easiest rice recipe with potatoes, meat, and vegetables. The addition of potatoes in this recipe is very delicious. It soaks up the flavors from the meat and the vegetables. And I will share a hack to make the fluffiest rice you've ever had. And of course, I will make the famous laban bkhiyar beside it. First, I cut 2 potatoes in medium thickness. I will fry it and you can cook it any way you want. I want the potatoes to take this golden color. Now in a pot, melt some butter or some ghee. Add 250 grams of ground meat. The pot should be very hot. Fry the meat until it takes this color. Add a mix of frozen carrots and peas and mix the ingredients together. Add 1 teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of curry. I will leave it for 10 minutes until the peas and carrots are soft, and you can cover it to make the cooking faster. Sprinkle some salt as needed, and now you're ready to put the potatoes. I want the potatoes to be under the vegetables and meat to soak the flavor, so make a space for it. This way you don't have to wash an extra dish. I will put the potatoes from all the sides of the pot. Now we will add 2 cups of long grain rice, soaked in hot water for 30 minutes. Here I have some butter and 1 cube of chicken broth. The cube is already salted, so I will add only 1 teaspoon of salt. I will add the hot water, and now the water for the rice is ready. The water should be above the rice like this. Now the hack to make the rice fluffy is to put a towel on the lid like this, a clean towel for the kitchen of course, and cover the pot. Cook the rice as usual, first on high heat until it starts to absorb the water, then on low heat. The towel will absorb any extra moisture from the rice and it will be very fluffy. You can see the rice. At this stage, I turn from high heat to low heat and let the rice absorb all the water until it's fully cooked. For the laban bkhiyar, I have here some cucumbers, crushed garlic clove, and some dried mint. Rub the mint with your hands to have a stronger taste. Sprinkle some salt and add the yogurt gradually until you reach the desired texture. Mix all the ingredients very well, taste and adjust as desired. You can put some olive oil on top of it when you serve it. Now the rice is ready to be served. You can see how fluffy the rice is. This method is very successful for any type of rice you have. Serve it directly when it's hot and enjoy this delicious dish. It's very suitable to cook for your family and for your guests, and when you have gatherings, it's very easy to make and very delicious. Yalla, now it's your turn to make this recipe. Waiting for you to try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.